The renting car thing? What renting car thing?
Turo.
Oh, Turo. Yeah, shout out Turo.
I'm doing truck with this.
I'll talk to you about it. I've done it before.
Garrett does it.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
That's why he got that motorcycle?
Yeah. That's
And
what he said.
we thought he was an idiot.
That's what he said. He said.
Ah! The whole time we were the idiots. Let me put my headphones in. I'm finna go.
Right, Bubby, safe.
Hopefully I don't crash. I'll see y'all later. Oh, we out here on the 73. So dope. Hello. All right. I mean, I can get one of the brokers to cover it. Yeah, I have a group text. I just need to know because I'm on my bike right now. I don't think I've ever rode anything this dope. So sick. And these people are looking, know what I'm saying? Shout out Super 73 making a dope ass bike that you can ride around the city. It's not even sketchy to ride at night either, which I was a little bit scared of. There's a headlight, everything works fine, especially if there's street lights.